Today is a great day. You know, this is a school that never sleeps, that there have been people here working throughout the holidays. Some of us have been here for the last couple of weeks or so. The teachers all came back on Monday, they've been busy preparing. But in truth, there's still been a certain stillness in the school. The corridors echo because they're empty. Until this moment, when the whole family is together again, ready to start the new year. And there's an energy, and there's a buzz, and there's a magic in the air, and that's why this is a great day, and this is a great moment to see the pack literally overflowing with the primary and secondary school together. We are a school which is finally back together. And the end of the summer holidays is a moment of perhaps some regrets. No more binge watching, no more fun in the sun, no more all those other things that we might have done up till now. But I think those feelings are eclipsed by an excitement about the opportunities that lay ahead with the coming of a new school year. And now is the moment to think, what does 2018 hold for us? What are we going to achieve this year? Yeah. And as we come back together as a family, it's appropriate to welcome all the new students, of which there are many who've joined us from other schools, to a special welcome to the Year 4s who've just come to Burwood now and have joined us here, and also a special welcome to all the new members of staff who are joining our community, and we're grateful to have you with us. But in terms of what we can achieve in 2018, well, some of that involves learning and opening our minds and exploring new areas and finding out new things and wanting to find out and understand and comprehend yet more. When we talk about learning, part of the story, and only a small part of the story, is passing exams. And at this point, I want to congratulate last year's VCE on coming second in the entire state of Victoria. And I say to this year's Year 12, no pressure, but there is literally only one way you can improve on that. But learning is much more than passing exams. Learning is much more than entire scores, important though they are. Learning is about opening our minds to possibilities. But we're also talking about what we can achieve this year in terms of the people we are and the community we build. We talk a lot, and the captains have already mentioned, about making our school an inclusive school, where everyone feels that they have a part and everyone feels that they have a friend. And in order to make it inclusive, we have to invite. We have to invite other people to join with us. We have to not just invite, but we have to involve, to make sure that other people are involved in the activities that we are engaging in. And hopefully we can inspire others to do the same. And as we've heard, we have, just 4 weeks away from today, a real opportunity to put this into practice. We're looking forward to Purim. Purim is a great day. And Purim celebrates so much, including the unity of the Jewish people, how they came together at the time of the Purim story. So at the very beginning of the year, as we plan our activities for Purim, or we plan our costumes, let's make this truly inclusive. By inviting, by involving, by inspiring, by bringing everyone together. I want our school to aspire for excellence. Now, excellence doesn't mean coming top. Excellence doesn't mean getting the best grades, running the fastest, jumping the highest. Excellence means to excel, to do more than one did before, to compare oneself not to another person, but to the person I was yesterday or I was last year, and to try and excel, to try and outdo that person that I used to be. So as we today, on this bright sunny day, both literally and metaphorically, as we look forward to all the opportunities that 2018 can bring, in learning, in personality, in character, in every aspect, of who we are. Let us make sure that as a school and as individuals, we do the best and we are the best that we possibly can be. Thank you.